Hello my friends, welcome to another video review about a hotel in Herculane, Romania, or Baile Herculane as they call it in Romania. This is a very interesting resort that you should really try out, especially if you need to treat some back pains and whatnot. This is a geothermal resort, and this is Grand Hotel Minerva. This is a 4-star hotel. This is the largest hotel in this resort, and I actually like it, and I like it a lot, mainly because the area is simply amazing. Let me show you my view from my balcony. I'm situated at the 5th floor, and this was my morning view. Yeah, what can I say? Fresh air, amazing scenery, just beautiful. The whole area is simply amazing. It's situated on the Cherna River Valley, and as I said, this is a geothermal resort. So back to the hotel. As you can see, the rooms aren't very big, but there is still enough space. You have an AC unit, you have a TV, cable TV, you also get free Wi-Fi, a telephone in the camera, also a nice desk. You get a mini bar that comes with pretty much everything that you need to, I don't know, drink in the room. A lot of storage spaces, and also a big bathroom with a hair dryer and a shower cabin. But the most interesting part about this hotel is the fact that you get a state-of-the-art spa that you can see at the beginning of this video, and also lots of things to do around. I don't know, if you are a fan of massage or massages, you can take as many as you want. Very good food, an important aspect if you ask me. Very good food, very nice staff, very helpful, very kind. You get a big bar with an outdoor terrace, so you can enjoy the fresh air and the beautiful landscape. So this pretty much does it for this video, guys. This is, as I said, Grand Hotel Minerva in Herculaneum, or Baile Herculane. This is in Karaš-Severin County, Romania. So if you're passing by, or if you want to spend your vacation in a place like this, I don't know, if you need to treat some back pains or whatnot, I highly recommend that you come and visit this resort. It's simply amazing. If you want, this one is like Karlovy Vary in the Czech Republic, but the history of this one in Romania, it's a lot more important than Karlovy Vary in the Czech Republic. See you in the next video. Until then, as always, see you next time. Peace.